Dear viewers, let's listen the summary and main lessons of the book The 7 Rules of Trust by Jimmy Wales and Dan Gardner. Here are the main lessons from the book. Lesson number 1. Trust is a strategic asset, not a soft skill. High trust companies grow faster, innovate more, and have lower internal conflict. Lesson number 2. Openness reduces fear and boosts teamwork. When leaders are transparent, employees don't waste energy guessing intentions. Lesson number 3. Trust removes friction. Less micromanagement, faster workflows, better communication. Lesson number 4. People forgive mistakes more than dishonesty. Honesty during failure increases trust more than hiding success increases it. Lesson number 5. Long term thinking creates long term trust. Short term selfish decisions destroy years of reputation. Lesson number 6. Consistency is more powerful than inspiration. Reliable, predictable behavior earns more trust than motivational speeches. Lesson number 7. Systems matter more than personalities. A trustworthy system can succeed even when imperfect people enter it. Dear viewers, here is the summary of the book. Jimmy Wales, founder of Wikipedia, and Dan Gardner explain why trust is the foundation of every successful business, community, relationship, and organization, and how to build it deliberately. The book shows that trust doesn't happen by accident. It is created through consistent behaviors, transparent decisions, and long term thinking. Wells uses Wikipedia's global success as an example of how ordinary people can collaborate at large scale only because the system encourages trust. The core message: trust grows when people consistently experience honesty, fairness, competence, and care. It collapses when leaders hide things, break promises, or act selfishly. The 7 rules act like a framework for building trust in business, leadership, and teams. The 7 rules of trust explain simply. Rule number 1: be transparent. Trust grows when people can see how decisions are made. Share information openly. Explain your reasoning. Don't hide mistakes. Acknowledge them. Why it matters. Transparency removes suspicion and prevents misunderstandings. Rule number 2: be competent. People trust you when you deliver. Do what you say. Do what you say. Build skill and reliability. Avoid over promising. Why it matters. Even good intentions fail without competence. Rule number 3: be fair. Fairness creates safety and loyalty. Treat everyone equally. Reward effort consistently. Avoid favoritism. Why it matters. When people believe the system is fair, they commit more deeply. Rule number 4: be accountable. Take responsibility, especially when things go wrong. Admit errors fast. Fix the issue. Show that consequences apply to everyone, including leaders. Why it matters. Accountability builds respect and long term credibility. Rule number 5: be beneficial. Act in others' interests. Show people that you are not just working for yourself. Make decisions that help the team, not only you. Give credit generously. Think long term, not short term gains. Why it matters. People trust you when they feel you genuinely care about their success. Rule number 6: be predictable. Consistency creates psychological safety. Behave steadily. No sudden anger, no random decisions. Set clear expectations. Keep routines and processes stable. Stable. Why it matters? Predictable leaders reduce stress and increase team confidence. Rule number 7, build trust systems, not just relationships. Trust must be supported by structures, not only personal behavior. Create rules, processes, platforms, and cultures that encourage honesty. Reduce opportunities for cheating or manipulative behavior. Build systems like Wikipedia did open, verifiable self correcting. Why it matters? Trust collapses without systems that reinforce good behavior.